Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start in Chrome, make sure it's updated and running. Sign into the Google account that owns your channel so permissions are ready. Once signed in, click the profile icon in the top right. This gives immediate access to YouTube and related tools. If you use multiple accounts, select the correct one. This prevents wrong channel edits. Keep your two-step device nearby, because Chrome may ask for verification. Now navigate to YouTube. To proceed. You're ready for studio access. From YouTube's main page, you go straight to your profile menu and choose YouTube Studio. This loads the dashboard where analytics, content, and settings live. Once the studio interface appears, take a moment to let panels finish loading. Analytics charts pull data and need a few seconds. Make sure Chrome extensions aren't blocking scripts. Disable ad blockers for YouTube Studio if graphs fail to render. If you need to inspect elements, open Developer Tools with Shift+I. That helps diagnose blocked. Finish by reviewing dashboard widgets and visiting content to confirm your videos display correctly. If Studio runs slowly or UI elements are missing, clear Chrome cache, restart the browser, and reload the page. This refreshes cached scripts. Make sure extensions like ad blockers are off for YouTube Studio because they often interfere. If problems persist, sign out and sign in again, or open Chrome in an incognito window to rule out profile extensions. That usually resolves account or browser conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.